Hi everyone, Rebecca here, and today I'm so excited to share with you these plant covers. Now these plant covers were gifted to me in exchange for my review today. I'm so excited. I have these plants here and I really want to put some protection on them from the birds and other animals that could get to these plants. They do come 12 to a pack. These domes are very cool. And they will protect your plant. I got a little bit of tight area here, but you can put several out and they will protect against the animals and birds. And it's so easy to install these. Just make sure that it's all in there. They're very cool because they reduce the reflective light, and more light will get into your plant. The depth of the dome is about 7.8 inches, and then the height of it is 9.4. So you can plant any kind of plant over the top of this. It's great for new plants because you can use the dome as a greenhouse, and also since it is transparent, you can really keep an eye on your plants. All in all, I think these are a great plant cover and I do suggest it.